Want to know the secret sauce behind self-made millionaires? In the next few minutes, Money Smart Basics will reveal 5 game-changing tips they use to build wealth from scratch. Ready to take control of your financial future? Keep watching. This could change everything. Remember to like and subscribe for more Money Smart Basics videos. Stay until the end to receive a bonus tip. If you have any suggestions for financial literacy topics, please leave a comment. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into some invaluable advice from self-made millionaires on how to build wealth from scratch. We're going to go deep on this one, so buckle up. These are the exact strategies they used, and let me tell you, they work. If you're ready to take control of your financial future, you're in the right place. Let's get started. The first step to building wealth, and I cannot stress this enough, is knowing your destination. Imagine setting out on a road trip without a map or a clear idea of where you're headed. You'd likely get lost, waste time, and feel frustrated. The same principle applies to your financial journey. What does financial freedom look like for you? Is it retiring early and spending your golden years on a serene beach? Is it buying your dream house, a place where you can create lasting memories with your family? Or perhaps it's traveling the world, experiencing new cultures, and ticking off items on your bucket list? Whatever it is, get crystal clear on that vision. Clarity is power. When you have a vivid picture of your desired future, it becomes easier to make decisions that align with that vision. It's like having a lighthouse guiding you through the fog. And don't just dream it, write it down, make it tangible. When you put pen to paper or type out your goals, you transform abstract ideas into concrete plans. This act of writing down your goals is a powerful step in manifesting them into reality. But here's the key. We're not talking about vague aspirations. Vague goals lead to vague results. You need to be specific about what you want to achieve. We're talking about specific, measurable goals. Instead of saying, "I want to be rich," define what rich means to you. Is it a certain amount of money in your bank account? Is it a specific lifestyle you want to lead? Instead of saying, "I want to be rich," define what rich means to you. Is it having a net worth of $1 million? Or perhaps it's having enough passive income to cover all your living expenses. Is it having a net worth of $1 million? Or maybe it's about having financial security and peace of mind, knowing that you and your loved ones are taken care of. 2 million? More? Whatever your number is, be specific. The more precise you are, the easier it will be to create a plan to achieve it. Put a number on it. Numbers give you a clear target to aim for and help you track your progress along the way. Next, break that big, audacious goal down into smaller, bite-sized milestones. This makes the journey less daunting and allows you to celebrate those small victories along the way, keeping you motivated. Each milestone you achieve brings you one step closer to your ultimate goal. This makes the journey less daunting and allows you to celebrate those small victories along the way, keeping you motivated. Celebrating these small wins is crucial because it reinforces your progress and keeps your spirits high. Remember, a goal without a plan is just a wish. Without a clear roadmap, it's easy to get sidetracked or lose momentum. Planning gives you a sense of direction and purpose. So let's create that plan. Start by outlining the steps you need to take to reach each milestone. What actions do you need to take daily, weekly, or monthly? What resources do you need? Who can help you along the way? By breaking it down into actionable steps, you make the process manageable and less overwhelming. Regularly review your progress and adjust your plan as needed. Life is unpredictable and sometimes you'll need to pivot or make changes to stay on track. Flexibility is key to staying resilient and focused on your goals. Visualize your success daily. Spend a few minutes each day imagining yourself achieving your goals. This mental rehearsal can boost your confidence and keep you motivated even when the going gets tough. Share your goals with others. When you tell friends, family, or a mentor about your aspirations, you create a support system that can encourage you and hold you accountable. Plus, you never know who might have valuable advice or resources to help you along the way. Reflect on your journey regularly. Take time to appreciate how far you've come and the progress you've made. This reflection can provide valuable insights and keep you motivated to continue pushing forward. Finally, once you achieve a goal, set new ones. The journey of personal and financial growth is ongoing. Each goal you achieve is a stepping stone to even greater success. Keep challenging yourself and striving for more. The power of goal setting lies in its ability to transform your dreams into reality. By being clear, specific, and intentional about your goals, you set yourself on a path to success. So take that first step today and start setting your goals. Your future self will thank you. Listen up, because this is crucial. If there's one thing you take away from this, let it be this. The best investment you can ever make is in yourself. This isn't just a catchy phrase or a motivational quote, it's a fundamental truth that has stood the test of time. Investing in yourself means dedicating time, energy, and resources to your personal and professional growth. Knowledge is power, and in today's world, it's also a serious wealth builder. The more you know, the more you can leverage that knowledge to create opportunities, solve problems, and add value to whatever you do. We're not just talking about formal education here, although that can be valuable too. Formal education can provide a strong foundation, but it's just the beginning. I'm talking about constantly seeking to improve your skills, expand your knowledge base, and become more valuable in the marketplace. Read books, attend seminars, take online courses, immerse yourself in learning. The world is changing rapidly, and staying ahead of the curve requires continuous effort. Whatever it takes to stay ahead of the curve. This could mean learning a new language, mastering a new software, or even developing soft skills like communication and leadership. The key is to never stop growing. The more you learn, the more you earn. It's as simple as that. But it's not just about financial gain. Investing in yourself also leads to personal fulfillment and a sense of accomplishment. It's as simple as that. When you invest in yourself, you build confidence, resilience, and a mindset geared towards success. You become better equipped to handle challenges and seize opportunities. And don't be afraid to invest in your health and well-being too. Your physical and mental health are the foundation upon which all other investments are built. Your health is your wealth, after all. A healthy body and mind enable you to perform at your best, think clearly, and make sound decisions. A healthy mind and body are essential for peak performance in all areas of life, including your finances. So, take the time to exercise, eat well, and practice mindfulness. These habits will pay dividends in the long run, enhancing both your personal and professional life. Remember, the highest return on investment comes from investing in yourself. It's a lifelong journey of growth, learning, and self-improvement. So, start today and watch as your efforts compound over time, leading to a richer, more fulfilling life. Chapter 3. Multiple income streams. Building a financial fortress. Relying on a single source of income is like building your financial house on sand. It's unstable and risky. That's why it's crucial to diversify your income streams. Think of it like building multiple pillars to support your financial fortress. This could involve starting a side hustle, investing in real estate, or exploring online business opportunities. The possibilities are endless. The key is to leverage your skills, interests, and resources to create multiple streams of income that can weather any economic storm. Chapter 4. The Frugal Lifestyle. Living below your means. In this chapter, we will explore the importance of living below your means and how it can significantly impact your financial future. You've heard it before, but it bears repeating. It's not about how much money you make, but how much you keep. This principle is the cornerstone of financial stability and wealth building. That's why living below your means is so crucial for building wealth. It allows you to save more, invest wisely, and prepare for unexpected expenses without falling into debt. This doesn't mean depriving yourself, but it does mean being mindful of your spending habits and making conscious choices about where your money goes. Track your expenses diligently, and you'll be surprised at how much you can save by cutting out unnecessary costs. Identify areas where you can cut back. For instance, consider dining out less frequently, canceling unused subscriptions, or opting for generic brands instead of name brands. These small changes can lead to significant savings over time. Make saving a non-negotiable part of your budget. Automate your savings so that a portion of your income goes directly into a savings account or investment fund. This way, you won't be tempted to spend it. Remember, small leaks sink big ships. This old adage holds true for personal finance as well. Even minor expenses, if left unchecked, can accumulate and derail your financial goals. Even minor expenses can add up over time. A daily coffee habit, for example, might seem insignificant, but it can cost you hundreds of dollars a year. By being aware of these small expenditures, you can make more informed decisions about your spending. By being frugal and avoiding lifestyle inflation, you'll free up more cash flow to invest and grow your wealth. Lifestyle inflation occurs when your spending increases as your income rises. Instead of succumbing to this, maintain your current lifestyle and invest the extra income. This strategy will help you build a solid financial foundation and achieve long-term financial success. Educate yourself about personal finance. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to make smart financial decisions. Read books, attend workshops, and seek advice from financial experts. Knowledge is power when it comes to managing your money effectively. Set clear financial goals, whether it's saving for a down payment on a house, building an emergency fund, or planning for retirement. Having specific goals will keep you motivated and focused. Break these goals down into manageable steps and track your progress regularly. Celebrate your financial milestones. Achieving your financial goals is a significant accomplishment, and it's important to acknowledge and celebrate your progress. This will keep you motivated and reinforce the positive habits you've developed. Living below your means is not just about cutting costs, it's about creating a sustainable and fulfilling financial lifestyle. By making mindful choices and prioritizing your financial well-being, you can achieve financial freedom and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with it. Chapter 5. The long game, patience and persistence pay off. Building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. It takes time, effort, and a whole lot of patience. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results overnight. Stay focused on your goals, be consistent with your efforts, and trust the process. Remember, every self-made millionaire started somewhere. They faced challenges, setbacks, and moments of doubt along the way. But they persevered, learned from their mistakes, and never gave up on their dreams. And neither should you. Outro: start building your empire. There you have it, 5 powerful tips from self-made millionaires on how to build wealth from nothing. Remember, the journey to financial freedom starts with a single step. Take action today, implement these strategies, and watch your financial future transform. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content like this. And be sure to share this video with anyone who's ready to take control of their financial destiny. Thanks for watching. Congratulations, you made it to the end of the video. With that, you are ahead of 90% of most people in America. Here is the bonus tip that we promised. If you don't like staying broke but still do nothing, then it's time to rethink. Shift your focus from spending to investing. Think long-term. See challenges as growth opportunities. Replace limiting beliefs with confidence. Remember, success starts in your mind before it shows in your bank account. The information in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only, and is not intended as financial advice. We are not financial advisors, and the content should not be construed as professional financial advice. Always seek the advice of a qualified financial advisor or other professional regarding your specific financial situation. The use of any information provided in this video is solely at your own risk. Please remember to like, subscribe, and comment for more Money Smart Basics videos.